What's up, guys? I'm gonna call the IRS scammers because they've been trying to call me, and yeah, so enjoy the video.
Thank you for calling Premium Technical Support. My name is Pragya. How may I help you today?
Can you fix my fidget spinner porn virus?
I'm not understanding. Can you please repeat that?
Can you fix my virus?
Sure, I will help you out. May I know, are you using a Windows computer or it is a Mac computer?
I'm using a Linux. Apple.
Sorry?
I'm using a fidget spinner.
I'm not getting your voice. Let me call you back, okay?
Wait, I have a Windows computer. Can you fix my fidget spinner porn virus?
Sorry?
Can you fix my fidget spinner virus?
Yes, how may I help you?
Can you fix my virus?
Yes, absolutely.
Fix it
What
then.
do you see on your computer screen?
Shows the fidget spinner sucking fidget cubes.
Sorry?
A fidget spinner sucking a fidget cube's dick.
What do you see on your computer screen?
A fidget spinner sucking a fidget cube's dick.
Can you hear me?
There is a fidget spinner giving a fidget cube a blowjob.
Okay. Are you using a Windows computer or it's a Mac computer?
I'm using I think it's an iPhone.
iPhone?
Yeah.
No, I'm asking you that are you using a Windows computer or it's a Mac computer?
I don't know what the difference is between a Mac and a Windows.
Okay, so what do you see on your computer screen right now? What do you see? What are the options?
It asks me if I want a 1-year subscription of porn or a lifetime subscription of fidget spinners.
Okay, and which browser are you using on your computer? It's an Internet Explorer, Safari, or Google Chrome?
Opera.
Opera.
Yes.
I want you to open the Opera browser.
You want to play Mario browser?
Yes, I want you to open it. You
I already beat him in the castle though.
have called us many times. You called us 3 times.
No, you called me. Say my phone has a virus, even though it doesn't.
So I want you to open the Opera browser.
Are you gonna fix my virus or not?
Sorry?
Are you gonna fix my virus or not? Or are you just gonna make me download leaks I don't need?
What do you see on your computer screen right now?
A fidget spinner.
Sorry?
Big it.
Okay, do one thing. Just visit at your nearest Microsoft store to fix this computer. I cannot fix it, okay?
Hey, where are you from?
Stay on call with me. I will let you know. I will fix your computer, okay? Stay on call with me, sir.
Yo guys, rate rate this music 1 out of 10 in the comments. One of you guys should Shazam it for me.
Thank you so much for being on board. I really appreciate your time and patience. I believe I'm talking to Mr. Peter.
I cannot hear you.
Am I speaking to Mr. Peter?
I just cannot understand your voice. Do you speak English?
May I know whom I'm speaking with?
Wait, I just heard moaning. Are you watching porn?
I didn't get it, ma'am.
No, I've legit heard like some girl going like, oh, oh.